Hello, lovely light bodies. Okay, so earlier today I gave you guys the rune messages, and it looks like I got another rune message just a little while ago, so I was going to read that to you first before I go into what I'm really wanting to talk about. And I received this as I was watching something online from the Circle of Lightworkers. I was watching something and then I got this rune in the sky. So here we go. Here is the final rune belonging to the cycle of initiation. Drawing this rune often signals a major shift or breakthrough in the process of self-change, a complete transformation in attitude, a 180-degree turn. For some, the transition is so radical that they are no longer able to live the ordinary life in the ordinary way. I've never been able to live an ordinary life in an ordinary way, but let's keep going. Because the timing is right, the outcome is assured, although not from the present vantage point, predictable. In each life there comes at least one moment which, if recognized and seized, transforms the course of that life forever. Rely therefore on radical trust, even though the moment may call for you to leap empty-handed into the void. With this rune, your warrior nature reveals itself. If this rune is followed by the blank rune, the magnitude of the transformation might be so great as to portend death, the successful conclusion to your passage. It's not over. Hold on, I gotta change the page. A major period of achievement and prosperity is often introduced by this rune. The darkness is behind you. Daylight has come. Nevertheless, you are reminded not to collapse yourself into thoughts for the future or behave recklessly in your new situation. Considerable hard work can be involved in a time of transformation. Undertake to do it joyfully. So as always, I will not interpret the meaning of that rune. I already got the message that I was supposed to receive from it. It resonates with me highly. It will resonate with whoever it's supposed to be resonated with. So I wanted to share with you now. Last night I had made a picture of what I saw when my heart chakra exploded yesterday on 11/11/11. So I'll show you this first. Now picture the spirals neon green and the little specks so bright they look like stars, but they were green stars. Alright, so recently, I think it started last week almost. Actually, it was last week it started. I've been getting channelings where I'll see images and then I'm supposed to write them down or draw them. And I know that I'm supposed to because they're very significant and sometimes they disappear really fast, so I have to draw them quick. So I can't just take a quick snap of a picture of them. But anyways, some of these were what I channeled today. Just a little while ago. These ones are the most recent actually in this. These ones were actually earlier. But I keep getting these channelings where I'm supposed to draw these things. Also, I don't know if anybody knows this, but I've actually taken quite a few pictures. I think it's been 2 or 3 now, of what 3-dimensional beings would call UFOs, but we know them as interdimensional beings. So I will not call them UFOs. They're interdimensional beings who are trying to communicate with me, and I know that. The first time I saw it was in the summer. At the beach. We were just having a regular day picnic there, and then I was taking a picture of a strange cloud and I accidentally captured it on my camera, and there was no planes in the sky that day. It was literally just sitting beside the cloud, just sitting there, not even moving, just sitting. So I took a picture of it by accident, and then when I zoomed into the cloud I saw it sitting beside the cloud and I was like, oh. And then the second time I took a picture of one, I can't remember now. Yeah, my memory's gonna fade in and out as my shift keeps going. That's one of the side effects. But tonight I got another one, which I will post after I'm done uploading these videos. So enjoy. I'll post the other ones too if I can find them. Love y'all. Namaste. Victory to the light.